I'm sure you've heard the phrase, life is a game and you can be anything you want. I completely agree with that. Let's imagine you have decided to become a motion designer and are wondering how to make a living from it. I won't be explaining what motion design is, because I want this video to be as useful and concise as possible. Right out the bat, I need to tell you that there are no quick and easy ways to make money here. Your growth, both in terms of audience and income, will be gradual. However, over time you can start making really good money. So you have several options to start earning from your animations. Personally, I chose the last option, so I recommend you to watch this video till the end, where I'll go into more detail. The first option is freelancing. Anyone can become a freelancer. At one point, I didn't know how to get my first order and was afraid of the responsibility and of not meeting the client's expectations. But you can't let fear hold you back. Fear prevents you from moving forward towards your goals. You can start on Upwork or Fiverr. Personally, I started on Fiverr, but I think both options are good. Now you can see the pros and cons of the freelancing. As for me, the main advantage is flexible schedule and no routine, but in other hand, unstable income. But guys, it's up to you. If you've decided to start your journey with freelancing and need to get your first order, here's how I got mine. At that time, I didn't know After Effects very well and set my minimum rate at $5. In my profile, I showcased a few of my works and a client found me. It took about 2-3 weeks. That's how I got my first 5-star review. You can always increase your rates later, you just need to be patient at the beginning when you don't have any reviews yet. And guys, if you will have some questions to me, just ask me in the comments and I will answer you. Let's move on. Instagram page. Building a personal brand. And guys, this didn't work out for me because Instagram is a specific platform. If you post something, 95% of views are usually gathered within a couple of days. It's very demotivating when you spend hours creating an animation that could be worth good money, post it on Instagram and get only 200 views in a couple of days. At the first time, guys, I tried to post 3 times a week. One video even got 150,000 views and it's still getting some. But over time I stopped posting regularly, now I just respond to people on that page. For some reason, guys, I feel like Instagram is a matter of luck. Because I have a friend who grew his account to 100,000 followers in 3 months. After this, his main page was hacked. He created another one, which now has 16,000 followers in just a few months. By the way, you can check out his page, you can see it now. Okay, let's say you have an audience, but what do you do next? How do you monetize it? My answer, any way you want. There are many ways. You can sell ads, collaborate with other pages, create and sell your own informational products by promoting them on your page. About a year ago, I bought a course from Visual. It cost about $200 for one person. The group had about 80 people, so guys, do the math yourself. By the way, thanks to these guys, I started doing motion design. Their work inspired me and I still think it's one of the best projects I've ever seen. On Instagram, you can find many accounts with similar animations that have grown to over 50,000 followers in less than 6 months. Some of them have even more. Each of these creators is making really good money. And guys, the last option I'll discuss in today's video is YouTube. There are actually more options, but I've covered the main ones that I can personally recommend. I wanted to do YouTube for a long time, but something always held me back. I had some fear, but as you can see now, I'm moving toward my goal. I want to create a strong community that help each other develop in motion design. In the near future, I plan to create a Discord channel. And guys, write Discord in the comments if you would like to join. Now let's talk about advantages. First, promotion. Each of you can grow your channel if you create quality content. Over the last 3 days, I've gained over 300 subscribers despite having a small channel. And guys, thank you very much for that. Unlike Instagram, YouTube can promote your videos months later, and you can remain in recommendations for years. Instagram doesn't have this advantage. And of course, guys, monetization. YouTube will pay you for ads in your videos once you reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. Also, guys, you can sell your own products such as clothing, accessories and other items through YouTube features or third-party platforms. And don't forget about affiliate programs. You will earn commissions on purchases made through these links. Also, paid videos and content. You can create and sell paid content such as courses, workshops or webinars. And the last one, brand collaborations. You can make deals with brands to feature their products or services in your video. These deals often bring significant revenue. So guys, that's all for now. I would be happy if you subscribe on my channel. I continue to teach animations. Thank you very much for your support. I receive many comments and messages from you. I appreciate you and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.